Hey guys, so this is my cousin Tavita's hair. He is Samoan, and you guys already know that Samoans have lots and lots of curly hair. His hair is coarse in texture, and it's very, very dry just because he doesn't quite do it. He doesn't quite do a wash and go as often as he should, and probably doesn't use the right ingredients on his texture. I also wanted to show you guys that he has low porosity, and as I'm touching his hair, I can feel a little bit of buildup on his texture. I'm not too sure exactly what products he uses, but we're gonna use Bounce Curl today, and we're gonna deeply clarify his hair to show you guys what we're going to do. I wanted to show you guys what low porosity or buildup can look like. So we won't be able to tell until we have completely finished washing his hair. I'm going to spray water, and do you see how this water just sits on top of his hair and does not get absorbed in? So this water should kind of get absorbed in a little bit better, but it's just sitting on top of his hair. So now we're gonna go wash his hair, and we're gonna use the Detox mask just to remove everything. And you can see that there is a little bit of product in here too. As you guys can see, his hair is very dry and pretty coarse, so we will want to shampoo his hair with the clarifying shampoo plus the detox mask just to remove some of the buildup. And because he has a little bit of low porosity hair, we're going to do it in sections just like this. And then we're going to put tension on our fingers so that we're kind of rubbing the dirt off of his hair, but not necessarily untangling with our fingers because we don't want to break or damage his hair. And then we're gonna use deep conditioner for his wash and goes every single time because it's so dry. That's what he's going to need every single wash day. So for his hair texture, we're going to section. That will be the best way to distribute the product. And then we will also finger coil like this. Alright guys, I'm off to my next section, and as you guys can see, his hair is very, very, very dry, so I'm gonna have to keep re-wetting it in order to get the product in. And as I'm doing his hair, I'm just noticing that he has damaged hair from putting it in a bun for too long. And so we're just gonna do our best and just keep going with this routine as much as we can. So I want to show you, he has like product residue all over his hair. This is more so because his hair just does not absorb the product. And this combination that we're using, we're gonna just kind of see and play with it to see if it's gonna work. It's leave-in conditioner and the defining Butta, and we will see at the end what it's gonna look like. I had to cut some of his ends off. He still has a lot of damaged ends, but he wants to keep the length, so we will just gradually start going up as the time goes. And this is his hair, pretty much almost 50% dry. We didn't even have to use a diffuser. We will let his hair air dry because his hair is already so dry. And you will see these product residue on his hair. We will get rid of that with oil. As we put a little bit of spray oil in his hair because his hair is low porosity, so his hair was not absorbing the product and it was just sitting on top of his hair. And so usually we would just air dry, but for this purpose of the video, we diffused. You can also diffuse if you want his hair to dry a little bit faster. His hair is still pretty wet and it's going to be wet for a while. He does not prefer volume, so we are just gonna let his hair dry like this, and hopefully it can last him for about a week. His hair was very, very damaged, and so because he just does not moisturize his hair, so he's gonna have to continue to do this for a while until his hair becomes softer. Alright, I hope you guys like this. I got a lot of people asking me about low porosity hair. A lot of people have sons with hair like this, and this is how we do it. We just finger coil it, and we really pay attention to it. At least once a week, he's gonna start using silk scrunchies, silk pillowcases. He's going to make sure that when he puts his hair in a bun, he's not ripping it. That's why we had to cut a bunch of hair off today. So we will keep you guys updated. Hopefully we'll do a video next month. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.